All right, so let's dive into this whole Telegram airdrop bot thing. Seems like you sent us a ton of articles from Solidity Academy and Crypto Radar, and it looks like you're kind of looking for like a fun, maybe even a rewarding way to explore crypto without too much risk, you know?
Yeah, for sure.
We've got articles here about the best dots out there right now, the hottest games, even crypto card options.
I know, it's really interesting.
Yeah, so these bots are basically like these mini apps within Telegram.
Mm-hmm.
And you can complete tasks or play games, and you can actually earn crypto tokens.
Yeah, it's a really clever way to get people interested in new projects, for sure.
It's not the first place that comes to mind.
Yeah, definitely not the first.
It's like when you think of crypto, you don't think of Telegram.
It's fascinating to see how it's become this hub, though.
I know, right?
Unexpected hub.
Yeah.
For crypto.
It really does lower the barrier to entry, I think.
Yeah.
Instead of like diving headfirst into exchanges and wallets and all that, people can kind of get a feel for crypto in an environment they're already familiar with. So the articles mention a bunch of different types of bots and games. Yeah.
Mm.
There are mining bots, tap to earn games, even quest and adventure games.
It's like they've gamified crypto,
Yeah.
the whole experience that's attracting a whole new audience.
Okay, so let's break down these bot types a little bit. We've got mining bots like BitEnergy, TronKeeper, CEX.io, PowerTap, and StarShash. And these basically let you simulate mining cryptocurrency through gameplay.
Yeah, it's a way to understand the mining concept without, having to set up an actual mining rig.
Yeah, all the technical hurdles.
Exactly. So some of these bots, like BitEnergy, they actually use your device's processing power, which adds a layer of realism
Wow.
to the simulation.
So it's not just clicking buttons.
Right.
Your device is actually doing something.
Yeah.
And that's where the potential for passive income comes in.
Exactly.
Oh.
You set it up and you potentially earn rewards over time.
Okay, cool. So then we have tap to earn games
Okay.
like Hashcats, Hippo Gang, TapSwap, and CEX.io. PowerTap is in there again too.
Tapping is a very popular mechanic, it seems like. All about simplicity, accessibility. You just tap, you earn rewards, maybe upgrade your in-game assets for even more.
It sounds almost too easy.
Yeah.
Is there a catch?
The rewards might be small at first, but it's a fun way to get a taste of earning in the crypto world. And that's what's drawing people in.
Okay, so now for those who want a little bit more adventure, there are these quest and adventure games. Solidity Academy mentioned Zoo Telegram mini game, Goblin Mine, Dragon's Land, and Diggers Go.
These ones are cool because they bring in the narrative element to earning. You're
Right.
completing quests, building virtual worlds, mining for treasure, all while earning crypto.
It's like they really
fun.
gamified this whole thing.
Yeah.
So this Diggers Go game actually uses GPS. So your real world movement earns you rewards in the game,
That's so cool.
which is pretty cool. I think Pokemon Go.
That's a great example of how developers are, blurring the lines between the physical and digital worlds and making crypto more integrated
Yeah,
with our daily lives.
I like it. Okay, so let's shift gears a little bit and talk about some specific bots that really caught our eye in these articles. Solidity Academy highlighted a few that seem really interesting.
Okay, let's hear it.
First, there's Velis, and they describe it as a DeFi ecosystem, which means it offers a bunch of financial tools, but it's all powered by blockchain. They have a user-friendly wallet built right in, and there's even city building and colonization aspects of the gameplay.
Wow. What's really impressive about Virtus is their user base. They have 2.7 million monthly users,
Wow, that's a lot.
according to Solidity Academy. And that kind of traction suggests they're doing something right.
Yeah, for sure. And get this, they're listing on a major exchange this December,
Big deal.
which could be huge for people who've earned their tokens through the bot.
Yeah, a major exchange listing that brings legitimacy and visibility, so it could potentially boost the value of their token.
For sure. Okay, next up is Holdcoin. It's a bot that, as you might have guessed, encourages you to hold on to your crypto.
Okay.
They're offering double token rewards for a small fee, and they're officially launching on December 16th.
Interesting. So it's cool that they're incentivizing holding rather than immediate selling. It kind of goes against that pump and dump mentality that we often see in crypto.
It's true. And there's a snapshot deadline. So there's a limited time to get in on that double reward offer.
Oh, wow.
So they're creating that FOMO, the fear of missing out.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Which drives a lot of behavior in the crypto world.
That's true. Okay, then we have Dr. X, It's a meme coin on the Multiverse X blockchain.
Meme coins can be unpredictable.
They can?
But also rewarding.
For sure.
If you catch the right wave.
Yeah.
It's amazing how they've become this cultural phenomenon.
I know, right?
In crypto.
They just use humor and community to generate buzz.
Yeah.
And sometimes that buzz translates into real value.
Exactly.
So Dr. X gives you 2,000 DRX coins just for signing up.
Wow.
It's pretty cool.
That's a low barrier to entry.
Yeah.
Which is great for newcomers.
For sure.
It's a way to get people excited about the project.
Yeah, get your foot in the door.
Even if it's just a small amount.
Another one that stood out is Seed. Claims to be the #1 play-to-earn app on Telegram.
Play-to-earn is huge right now.
It is. And they're also listing this December, so keep an eye out.
Okay.
And last but not least, we've got Bon AI. And this bot is all about launching AI nodes on the TON blockchain for passive income.
How cool.
You get 100,000 coins just for joining.
Wow.
And they're also listing in December.
It seems like December is going to be a busy month.
It does.
For these projects.
So we've got a whole mix here, each with its own unique twist on earning potential. It's clear that this space is full of creativity and innovation. Yeah. Welcome back. So we've seen like all this variety of Telegram airdrop bots out there. But I kind of want to get into like the mechanics a bit more. Like, how do these things actually work?
Yeah.
What's going on behind the scenes?
So at their core, these bots are all about engagement. They want you interacting with their platform, spreading the word, and ultimately contributing to the project's growth, you know?
So they're giving away tokens as like a way to incentivize participation.
Exactly.
Like a rewards program, but with crypto.
Yeah, you perform certain actions and you get rewarded with tokens. It's a smart way to build a community around a new project.
Okay, so what kind of tasks are we talking about here? Like, what do you actually have to DO to earn these tokens?
Well, it varies, depending on the bot. Some might ask you to complete simple tasks, like joining their Telegram group, following their social media accounts, or referring friends. It's all about building awareness and expanding their network.
Okay, so pretty basic community building stuff.
Right.
Nothing too crazy.
But others might have more involved tasks, like completing quizzes about the project, watching ads, or participating in contests. It just depends on the level of engagement they're aiming for.
Okay, and then in those gaming bots, the gameplay itself, the task.
Exactly.
You're earning rewards by playing their game.
That's right.
Okay, so I get the task part. But how do you actually receive these tokens? Like, where do they go?
Most of these bots will require you to connect a crypto wallet. And this is where your rewards will be sent. It's like your digital bank account for crypto.
So you need to set up a wallet beforehand if you want to participate.
Right.
There are a lot of different wallet options out there, though, right?
Yes, there are many reputable wallet options available. Just be sure to do your research and choose one that aligns with your needs and security preferences.
So you connect your wallet, you complete tasks, and the tokens just show up.
Well, it's not always instant. Some bots might have like a minimum threshold you need to reach before you can withdraw your tokens. Others might have a vesting period, meaning you have to wait a certain amount of time before you can access your rewards.
So there's like strategy involved. You need to understand like the bot's rules and how to optimize your earnings.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's where things get interesting. You can start thinking about which bots offer the best rewards for your effort, which ones have the most potential for future growth, and how you can maximize your participation to get the most out of it.
It's like a whole new layer of the crypto experience, all happening within Telegram.
It is.
It's pretty wild.
It is pretty wild. And that's what makes it so appealing to newcomers. It's lowering the barrier to entry for people who are curious about crypto, but might be intimidated by the complexities of exchanges and trading.
Right. It's a fun, low-risk way to dip your toes in the water. But, of course, like with anything in the crypto world, there are risks involved.
Of course.
Right.
No investment is entirely without risk, and these bots are no exception.
Okay, so let's talk about the risks then. What do people need to be aware of before diving in?
Okay, so first and foremost, you really need to do your research. Don't just jump into any bot that promises easy riches. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.
I was going to say, there are probably scams out there, right?
Oh, yeah.
People trying to take advantage of all this?
Unfortunately, yes. There are always people looking to exploit others, especially in a newer area like this.
So how do you spot a scam? Like, what are some red flags?
Look for unrealistic promises. If a bot is guaranteeing super high returns with little to no effort, That's a major red flag. No legitimate project can guarantee those kinds of returns.
Okay, good to know. What else?
Pay attention to the bot's website and their social media presence. Do they look legitimate? Are there reviews from other users? Are they active and responsive?
Right. It's always good to see what other people are saying. Don't just take their word for it.
Exactly.
Your own digging.
And be very cautious about sharing any personal information. A legitimate bot should never ask for your private keys or your seed phrase. That's the golden rule in crypto. Never give away your keys.
Right. Those are the keys to your crypto kingdom.
Exactly.
Protect them.
Yeah. If they ask for that information, run the other way.
Yeah. Big red flag.
Another risk to be aware of is the volatility of the market. Even if you earn tokens from a legit bot, the value of those tokens can fluctuate.
So you might earn a bunch today, and they could be worth less tomorrow.
Yeah, it's a gamble, just like any other crypto investment.
Right, okay.
So it's important to have a long-term perspective and not get too caught up in short-term price swings.
Don't panic sell.
Exactly.
And don't put all your eggs in one basket.
Exactly. Diversify your holdings and be prepared for the ups and downs of the market.
Crypto 101.
Crypto 101.
So even though these Telegram airdrop bots, they offer this relatively low-risk way to get started with crypto, you still need to be smart about it.
Absolutely. Knowledge is power, especially in the crypto world.
Do your research.
Do your research.
Understand the risks.
Understand the risks.
And don't invest more than you can afford to lose.
Don't invest more than you can afford to lose.
Okay, so we've covered like the mechanics, we've covered the risks. Now let's talk about potential rewards. We've talked about earning tokens, obviously. But are there other benefits to participating in these bots?
Yes, definitely. Beyond just the potential financial gains, these bots can be a great way to learn about new and innovative crypto projects.
Oh, okay.
You're getting in on the ground floor before they hit the mainstream.
So you're like an early adopter.
Exactly.
Which can be really rewarding.
It can be incredibly rewarding.
Right, you're not just investing. You're becoming a part of something new.
Yeah.
And potentially groundbreaking.
You're exposed to projects that are just starting out, and you get to witness their growth firsthand.
Yeah, that's both. Financially and intellectually stimulating, I think.
Exactly. You're actively engaging with a project and its community.
Plus, you're learning valuable skills along the way.
Absolutely. You're gaining experience with crypto wallets, understanding how airdrops work, and just becoming more familiar with the crypto ecosystem overall.
It's like a hands-on crypto education.
Yeah.
But with the potential for earning rewards too.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. So we've got the mechanics, we've got the risks, we've got the rewards. Now I kind of want to talk strategy. Like, how can people maximize their earnings with these bots?
Okay.
Are there any tips or tricks?
The first tip is finding the right bots. Don't just jump into the first one you see. You really want to do your research. Compare rewards. And choose bots that align with your interests and goals.
So it's not just about chasing the biggest payout.
Right.
It's about finding projects you actually believe in.
Exactly.
That you want to support.
You're not just earning tokens. You're potentially becoming a part of community. So you want to be aligned with their mission and vision.
Right. And if you believe in the project, you're more likely to hold on to those tokens long term.
Exactly.
Okay, so find the right bots.
Find the right bots.
Got it. What else?
Once you've chosen your bots,
yeah,
it's all about optimizing your participation. Complete tasks diligently. Engage with the community. And refer friends whenever possible. The more active you are, the more rewards you'll earn.
That's like any rewards program.
Yeah.
The more you participate, the more you get out of it.
And don't forget about those snapshot deadlines. And vesting periods. Make sure you understand the bot's rules and timing to maximize your rewards.
Right, timing is everything.
It is crypto, especially in crypto.
Yeah.
And finally, stay informed. The crypto landscape is constantly changing, so keep an eye on the news and look out for trends to identify new opportunities and potential risks.
So it's not like a set it and forget it type of thing.
No, it's not.
You need to be actively engaged.
Right. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be
to
navigate the world of Telegram airdrop bots and the crypto market in general.
Cool. Those are all really good tips. Before we move on, anything else you want to add about maximizing earnings?
I think it's crucial to remember that this is still a relatively new space. There's no guaranteed formula for success. It's about experimenting, learning, and adapting.
It's like the Wild West of crypto earning.
Yes, exactly.
Full of potential, but also pitfalls.
There's a sense of adventure and discovery. You're not just following a well-trodden path. You're forging your own way.
Which is part of the fun.
Exactly.
Exploring the unknown.
It's about embracing the unknown.
Yeah.
And being open to new possibilities.
I like that. Well said. Okay, so that wraps up part 2 of our deep dive into the world of Telegram airdrop bots. We've covered how they work, the risks and rewards, and some strategies for maximizing your earnings. Okay, so we spent some time now exploring these Telegram airdrop bots, how they work, the potential rewards, the risks involved. But now I'm curious about the bigger picture.
Yeah.
What impact could these bots have on the crypto world as a whole?
That's a really interesting question. I think these bots could actually reshape how people interact with crypto, especially newcomers. By making it accessible through a familiar platform like Telegram, and by gamifying the experience, they're attracting a much wider audience.
Yeah, it's like they've removed some of that intimidation factor that surrounds crypto. Not everyone's comfortable diving headfirst into exchanges and wallets and all that.
Right.
But a Telegram bot, that feels a little bit more approachable.
Exactly. It's a lower stakes way to just get a taste of the crypto world. And that could lead to more adoption and awareness.
Yeah, and not just awareness, but a deeper understanding of how crypto actually works.
Definitely.
Even if it's through these simple tasks and games, people are starting to grasp the basic concepts.
It's planting those seeds for future crypto literacy. For sure.
I like it. It's also interesting to see how these bots are driving innovation. They're experimenting with new ways to use blockchain technology, from gaming to AI to decentralized finance.
It's a hotbed for creativity right now, and that's really exciting to see.
It feels like we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. But of course, the long-term impact of these bots remains to be seen.
Of course.
It all depends on how they evolve, how regulators respond, and how users adapt to this new landscape.
Right, that's the beauty of it. It's constantly evolving. There's that sense of dynamism and unpredictability. That keeps things really interesting.
It's like we're witnessing the birth of a new era in crypto, but it's happening right under our noses, within an app that we use every day.
It really is. It's a testament to the power of innovation and just how quickly things can change in tech. What seems novel today could be completely commonplace tomorrow.
That's true. So what does all this mean for our listener who's been diving deep into these articles? But Telegram airdrop bots, what are some key takeaways they should be thinking about?
Well, I think the main takeaway is that these bots offer a fun and relatively low-risk way to explore the crypto world. They're a great entry point for beginners and a fascinating case study for anyone who's interested in the future of finance and technology.
And it's crucial to remember. That knowledge is power. Do your research before jumping into any project, no matter how tempting it might seem.
Yes, absolutely.
Understand the risks, protect your assets, and don't invest more than you can afford to lose.
Wise words to live by in the crypto world.
Yeah. And finally, I think it's important to approach this space with a sense of curiosity and excitement. It's a rapidly evolving landscape. There's so much potential for innovation and disruption. Who knows what amazing things we'll see emerge in the years to come.
It's thrilling to be a part of this journey for sure. There's just a sense of possibility and adventure that's unlike anything else.
Well, that wraps up our deep dive into the world of Telegram airdrop bots. We hope you enjoyed exploring this fascinating new corner of the crypto world with us.
Yes, thanks for joining us.
It's been a really interesting journey.
It has.